Well, my name is Marshall Smith. I have been here with Southeast Kentucky Community Technical College for my 13th year. My previous job was I was a welder and foreman at a local company here in Harlan and worked there for 15 years. I've always enjoyed teaching. When I was in the late 20s, mid 30s, my wife and I taught Sunday school class for teenagers, so I just always had a passion for teaching, trying to pass along what I know and what I've learned. And I've learned that since I've got this job here in teaching welding, that I've learned from students. Some students will come in with a different technique or in welding or a different idea of how to do something, and they teach me. So, we're all still teachable, but I really enjoy just getting to know the students, trying to teach them, a work ethic. We're finding that problem solving, critical thinking skills, that's something that we try to, that you're going to face in any trade that you do. You're going to run into a situation where it may not win as planned, so you have to try to figure out a way to make it work. You have to solve problems on the go, think on your feet. So, that's one of the things that we try to incorporate, just some soft skills just to get these young men and women more ready for the workforce. Talking about building things and fabrication, welding is more than just going into those booths, running beads. It's more than that. My passion really lies in the fabrication side of things. That's where I've always enjoyed doing stuff. I enjoy coming up with a design and trying to build it. Fortunately, throughout the years, I've been able to get updated equipment that allows this. A lot of things is going to computer automation. With the CNC plasma cutter, if you draw it in there, you can cut it out. And then I ended up getting a CNC tube cutter, and it also marks the tubing for making, where we're from here in Harlan, side-by-sides are a big thing. Roll cages, front and rear bumpers, tree kickers, those type things, they're all mostly drawn on software, and then they're put through a program that tells you how to bend everything, and that is something that I'm really trying to get the students interested in. When you can do that, it really sparks their interest when they can see you develop it and then take it to product. That really sparks their interest more in learning the programming. Well, obviously I would hope for all students to be able to go into the workforce in welding. Sometimes that does not happen. So my hope is that even if they don't end up in the welding field, let's say maybe you don't want to leave or just can't find a job local that they want, if they decide to do something else, I hope that they've learned a work ethic in here, respect for their peers, how to listen to advice from other people without taking it to heart, knowing that people are really here to help them. My goal is to see them all pass the courses. We do offer Kentucky DOT certifications. We offer 4 of them. I just want to see them succeed. And then one day, if they're in a welding field, there's times that they might have a new employee that they might have to help instruct. And I hope that maybe some instructional methods that I've used with them, or I allow other students to help each other. I hope that can translate into them becoming a teacher as well. Even if it's just on the job teaching. If it's so I just want to leave an impact on them. I want them to leave here and think, he did the best he could with me. If I fail, it's my fault. That's what I want, and that's what I strive to do, and I hope that I am doing that.